What is it, my people? You already know who it is. You know where I'm at. You know where I be. It's the host of the most. It's your Gnosis. It's the one you not your angel, but my angel Thomas is back. And we better like our grandma's needed sweater. And today, I'm pretty sure you are aware of this generation's beauty standard of woman. It is thick, with 2 C's, of course. Now I know not everybody has the junk in the trunk, the weaves in the cheese, the lot in the pot, or the water like Harry Potter. But that is a simple and fast fix. I can take you from flat to fat in a heartbeat. So let's do this.
But stuck on my phone, I'm on 1%, using my GPS.
So what you will need is a pair of jeans that have a little extra room in the derriere area, or the gluteus maximus, like so. The thing you will need is a pillow, like so. Pillow size can vary on just what's suitable for you and how much thickness you would like to acquire. Last thing you need is a
belt.
Now comes the steps. First, put on the pants. Second step is to stuff lead pillow into lead pants. I don't know if that was correct. I don't speak French. Is that French or German or Spanish? I don't know. But stuff the pillow into the pants. Step 3 is to fasten the belt. Congratulations, now you have graduated from Flatty Patty Intensive to Thicc Minaj Honors. Okay, if you made it to the end of the video, you are a real trooper. Thank you all for everybody for supporting me. I already got 92 subscribers as of right now, and I thank every single one of you. Video coming soon for 100 subscribers, so keep telling your friends, tell everybody about me, you know. But yeah, thank you for watching the video, and there'll be another video tomorrow. Daily videos, all spring break long, so don't miss out. I'll catch you on another wave. Peace out.